What's up guys, Cybran here. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of a new GPU I got from my Unraid server, as well as show you how to turn off LEDs on any GPU. I know it's not a 30 series card, but I'm going to be using this not strictly for gaming in my gaming rig. This is more for hardware transcoding and use by Dockers in my server, so it's more than enough for what I need it for. Hope you guys enjoy. I went on the forums and I couldn't figure out how to get rid of the lights on this graphics card. This is a 2060, and people were complaining that you can't really turn off this light when it's on. And on the threads, I saw that literally the only comments were you can't, and there was all software solutions. And no one really mentioned the hardware solution. That's really easy. So if you can see right here, this is the LED that turns on right here. And if you look in there, there's a little wire that runs all the way around the back and is just this header right here. So if you just take this, and I'll try to get a good angle here, it's really light. You just lightly tug and that's it, it's off. And then you can just tie that down with a little bit of electrical tape and you should be good to go. So yeah, so once you unplug it, all you have to do is let me pull this down and then some electrical tape. I would recommend using electrical tape just because you don't want to use normal tape. Things that are heat resistant a little bit, as well as can resist some voltage, is beneficial. So I'm just going to tie it down like that a little bit, and then I'm going to grab some more tape here and then just cover the inside as well. Make sure it's nice and good so it doesn't rattle. So that's it, just a quick easy fix for turning off any annoying lights on 2060. This should work with all NVIDIA GPUs. Recent ones, I've tried this on my 1080 Ti, I've tried this on other cards as well. It should work all the same. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.